Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this full face of makeup inspired by the faction alliance from the MMO World of Warcraft that has a lot of blue and gold. So if you are new here, I'm Joanna and I have new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday, so consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me so much. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start this look, I've already done my brows very lightly and with a more chocolatey brown color with the Cien Brow Perfect pencil to give them kind of a more natural look and kind of a warm brown color. And I've also primed this lid with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. So I'm going to be doing this eye and I'll do the other one off camera. And Alliance colors are a lot blue and gold. So I think I'm going to be using the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive palette that has a lot of blues in it. And I might also take from the Nikki Tutorials X Beauty Bay this blue shade. And for gold, I'm thinking about the glitter liquid eyeshadow from Technic. This is the Glitz in the shade Gold. So I'm thinking about an eyeshadow look not too sharp, not too defined, but with a blue base and then with some gold details. So I'm going to start on my crease / transition area with this lighter blue, and I want to create kind of a transition to blend some deeper blues under it just to make them easier to blend. So for those of you that are new here, maybe you can tell that the name of my channel was highly inspired by World of Warcraft, and I have played it a lot. I haven't played it in a while, but when I did play it, I played it a lot. And I would say I am definitely more of an Alliance player, but I've also played a long time in the Horde. And I've actually had the idea to do these looks back when Battle for Azeroth launched, because there was a lot Alliance versus the Horde. So that was when I came up with this video idea. I just never got around to do it. So I'm now using the Nikki palette and I'm taking the shade Amsterdam and I'm packing this one on my crease. And now I actually miss it a lot. I haven't played in a very long time. I played a little bit in the beginning of Battle for Azeroth, but I didn't get very far in that expansion. So I thought now, with the launch of Shadowlands, I would finally do these looks. I think this particular blue is very much similar to the Alliance blue, so I really like how this one looks. So when I played on the Alliance, and I would say the Alliance is my absolute favorite faction because my overall favorite race is Draenei. I do have almost all Draenei characters. So I'm just taking again a little bit of that lighter blue to blend the edge of the two shades. And actually, I want to take a little bit of the shade Plot Twist to make this upper part a little bit lighter. Yeah, I think I much prefer the tone of this one. And just going back again with the same brush I used with the shade Amsterdam, maybe with a little bit more of this one. Yeah, definitely I love this blue. Okay, and now on this outer corner, I want to give it a little bit of depth, nothing too much, because I think Alliance is very much light, everything light. So I'm going to take just a little bit of this one, pack it on the outer corner, blend it a little bit in. And speaking of light, one of my main characters was a paladin. Actually, the two classes I played the most was a paladin. I played both retribution and protection. Yeah, I played paladin as a DPS and as a tank. I really never got around to healing with a paladin, but the one I definitely played the most recently was an arcane mage, and I definitely loved that one. Okay, I think for the blue on the eyes, that is mostly it. And I think now I just want to take the gold glitter all over my lid. So I'm just going to try and leave my eye like this for a little bit to let this glitter dry, but on this outer corner I am going to take a little bit of the dark blue maybe to blend this out a little bit. And I'm also taking a little bit of this blue just on top of the dark one so it doesn't get too dark. On my brow bone, I am taking this gold shimmer. It might be a little bit too dark, but I think it will tie the whole look together. It's not too intense, so it's not too much. For mascara, I'm using the Marvel X Maybelline Colossal. Okay, and for now, that is it for the eye. So I'm just going to be doing the other one off camera, and then I'll come back to do my face. Okay, so that's the top part of the eyes done. And I did say that I didn't want a very sharp line, so in this area, I only cleaned it up just a little bit. So now for my face. And for Alliance, as I mentioned, Alliance to me is very light, so I want a very glowy skin. And for that, I'm using the Primark Vitamin Primer. And for foundation and concealer, I will be using the Primark My Perfect Color Foundation that has a medium coverage and a semi-matte finish, with the NYX Born to Glow Concealer. And to set my face, I'm just using a little bit of the Kiko Invisible Touch under my eyes, but for the rest of my face and for that glowy skin, I'm using the Revolution Pro Skin Finish in Opalescent. On my brows, I actually just want to set them with a little bit of gel. I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow, and this one is also in a brown shade. but I just usually like to do this after powder. So now to finish my eyes, I think I just want to do a little bit of what I did on top. I'm going to take from the Nikki palette the shade Amsterdam very close to my lashes, connecting it to this outer corner. Now I want to blend it with a little bit of this light blue, also connecting to this outer corner. And just taking a little bit of the shade Plot Twist. I actually don't need much of this one because this one is very light. And I don't want to make the lower lash line too light. But I will use a little bit more of this on the inner corner. And to highlight the inner corner, I will take this shade. So I used this one on the brow bone and I'm using this one now. Also dragging it a little bit on the lower lash line. And I just want to take a tiny bit more of the shade Plot Twist to blend this side that was a little bit too intense. And to finish my face, I want this look to be very bronzy. So I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer, which I absolutely love. And I also think it will go very well with the blue. For blush, I want something pink and shimmery, so I'm taking the I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts in Bursting with Love, and I think I'm just going to mix the three shades together. So this one on top of that very bronzy look, I think it looks really nice. And I just realized I didn't actually finish my eyes because I was actually a little bit too excited to get a highlighter. So just to finish my eyes, I'll use the Kiko Lasting Precision Eyeliner in Kohl in the shade 07, that is this cobalt blue that will go very well with the eyeshadow and again the mascara. This makes the lower lash line pop even more of that blue. So now for the highlighter, I'm going to take the Sofx Revolution Highlighter Palette and I will use the gold shade. I think this very bright and gold highlighter goes really beautiful with the eye and the theme. And for the lips, just a little tip, if you wanted to pair this eye look with a bright red matte liquid lipstick, it would be very nice, like Wonder Woman or Captain Marvel inspired makeup because of the blue and gold and red, but this is an Alliance inspired look, so I'm going to pair it with a blue liquid lipstick. Well, actually, let's scratch that because this blue doesn't quite match the blue from the eyeshadow. So I'm just going for a nude matte liquid lipstick. This is the Revolution Matte in the shade Chauffeur. Okay, so this looks much better than the blue because it was really not quite the same tone. So just to finish the look, I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Okay, and that is it for my Alliance inspired makeup look from World of Warcraft. I definitely love how the eyes turned out. Actually, let me give you a close-up. So I think the blue is definitely the Alliance blue, and the gold actually looks really nice with it. It's a very royal blue and gold thing, and the lips also go very well with this look. And for an Alliance inspired makeup, I definitely feel like the glowy skin with the gold highlighter, everything ties up very well together. So if you liked it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and always let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you have played World of Warcraft and which faction you did play, because on Thursday I will be doing a Horde inspired makeup look, so stay tuned for that. I will leave on the side my playlist for Halloween makeup, and if you don't want to miss Thursday's video, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos like this one every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching.